Hello everyone, my name is Majid Rahimi and you're watching part 6 of our classical technical analysis course. If you want to start this course from scratch, you can see our first video here. And finally, if you are not a subscriber yet, just click on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video to join us and enjoy learning to trade in stock markets and Forex. In previous videos, we knew a lot about head and shoulders pattern and their structure. In this video, we will learn about head and shoulders bottoms and their differences with top formations. Then we will get to know multiple head and shoulders pattern and also rounding tops and bottoms. And finally, we will see some examples of these patterns in charts. Head and shoulders bottoms are like head and shoulders top in price action, and they are like a human who is standing in his head. The main difference between tops and bottoms is in volume chart in D point. We should have a high volume penetration to be able to say we have a valid head and shoulders bottom. This is because, as an old saying from Wall Street, it takes buying to put stocks up, but they can fall off their own weight. I have to say it again, this volume principle is true only in the stocks market and where we have real volume, not thick volumes. It is not going to work in Forex for two reasons. First, we don't have volume there, and second, we're not buying or selling something. We're just exchanging our money. The measurement formula and other specifications are the same in tops and bottoms. Additional to simple head and shoulders pattern, we have other kinds of pattern that we can name as multiple head and shoulders pattern. It can be any variety of head and shoulders. For example, you can see multiple head and shoulders with two left and two right shoulders, or with two heads in pictures. Detecting these patterns are not as easy as simple head and shoulders, but they are as powerful as it was. Measurement formula is also the same for these patterns. We will see some examples in this video. The point about these patterns is that they tend to be symmetrical, and this may help you sometimes to recognize them. And they usually may last longer than simple pattern. Another related patterns are rounding tops and bottoms. These patterns appear when price slowly wants to change its direction, and we can put the price change in a curve like what you can see in the picture. This is a rounding top pattern. Rounding bottom is like rounding top, but obviously in opposite point of view. We can also see a volume pattern similar to price pattern in rounding bottom, but in rounding top, volume is not making any pattern. Rounding tops and bottoms are valid patterns, but the speed of changing direction and its momentum are low. We can't also measure a target for it, but of course we can benefit them in our analysis. Well, let's see some examples of all these patterns in charts. This video has come to its end. In the next video we will look at triangles as another family of patterns. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, or anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.